Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog mga tropa. Ayan, dito tayo sa Salcedo, Ilocos Sur. And dahil piyesta ng Salcedo, Ilocos Sur mga idol, ayan, manonood tayo ng racing ngayon, araw na ito. So pupunta tayo mga idol. Okay, abangan ang racing mga tropa, sana makaabot pa tayo. Ayan, kaya ang motor natin, nakasasakyan, punta tayo manonood ng racing, motocross mga tropa. Ayos. So, panoorin na lang mga tropa ating vlog. Okay, maraming salamat mga tropa. I love you all. At ito na mga katropa, ito ang yung naabutan natin mga tropa. Yan, medyo late tayo, nag-start na pala mga tropa. Okay, manood na lang tayo mga tropa. Manood tayo. Wow, lumilipad na sila mga tropa. Okay, ayan, ito yung naabutan natin, naganap. Okay, let's go.
For Ilocos Sur Festival 2025!
Like,
Number 9, that is Madeline Baby Rocket Aguilar. 19, Elsa King Lion Domingo. 16, Born the King Lion. So, by 87, that is Master Janik Mitra. Para kay Orto Gabriel, Ron Roberto, David Viterbo, Bucho Coy Planas, David Magapo, Enzo Reliosa, and Kiram Mabuan. This is the Pro Lights category right here for the Governor Jerry Singson Motocross Invitational Ilocos Sur Festival 2025. Change position. We now have Ron Roberto on 4th, Otto Gabriel on 5th, David Viterbo on 5th, Bucho Coy Planas on 6th, Otto Gabriel 7th, followed by David Magapo, Enzo Reliosa, and Kiram Mabuan. This is, once again, the Pro Lights category. Madeline Aguilar coming into the rollers on 1st position. Still on the battle for 2nd, we have Elsa Domingo, Born of the Oso. Coming in, we have Janik Mitra, Alfredo on 5th, battle for 6th between David and Bucho Coy Planas, followed by David Magapo, Otto Gabriel, Enzo Reliosa, and Kiram Mabuan. 8 more laps to go. We have 8 more laps to go. And this is still Madeline Baby Rocket. Coming in on 175. That is David Viterbo on 6, followed by Bucho Coy Planas and David Magapo. And it's 349. Madeline Baby Rocket Aguilar, followed by Baby Lion Elsa Domingo. 116. That is Born of King Lion Mamoso, followed by 94 Master Janik Mitra. Coming in on 5th position, we have 175 once again. That is Rob the Nissan Romento. Then we have David Viterbo, Bucho Coy Planas, David Magapo, Kiram Mabuan, Otto Gabriel, Kiram Mabuan, and Enzo Reliosa. Oh, 3 laps to go. We have 3 more laps for the Pro Lights category.
So ayan mga katropa, hanggang dito na lang ang ating vlog. Maraming salamat sa panonood. God bless you all. At kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa aking channel, palike and subscribe naman po mga idol. At comment down below para mapusuan po natin. Maraming salamat. I love you all guys. Bye bye.